Hello friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Jinhao wood fountain pen. And here, in this model, you can find two shades of wood. One is this, and another one is little a reddish wood color one. And here, this is a complete wood finished cap and body, which has a silver clip portion, a very sturdy one. And in the bottom of this cap, you can find a silver finish. And a very thin portion, and it is a screwing type one. And wow, very gorgeous. This is number 35 nib, which has a broad tip silver plated one, and you can swap with any other number 35 nib. Especially in Candide, we are having in fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone, and silver plated nibs. And also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen, so the choice is yours. For that, you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And with this a matte finishing look, a grip portion, this is looking so awesome. And with a silver, and there is a silver thread portion, a metal thread portion for the cap to screw here, and also this top silver ring, looking so good. And here this feeder has a very good grooves, and in feeder the number 3 is mentioned in this portion, and in the nib it is mentioned as Jinhao, the brand's name, and 18K GP. And let me open this. This is a cartridge converter type. This is a converter. You can also use cartridges for this. For that, to fill the ink, you have to unscrew this, means you have to move the piston forward, and you can dip in the ink and turn this back, so the ink will be filled up this portion. Jinhao converters are the best one, which means it will stay for a long time. There won't be any problem with the converter. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this and screw it up and open. This is a screwing type opening. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush, or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And also few nibs need to be fine tuned, because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so you will get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow. And whenever we dispatching the pens to a customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And let me give the writing sample of this pen with our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. If you fill the ink properly in the feeder, means in the converter, you will get a very equal, means the very uniform ink flow. Very smooth writing and a very bold writing. And you can swap with any fine or flex or medium nibs in this. let me give the measurement. The holding area's diameter is 10.5 mm and the body is 12.2 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 125.2 mm. And with cap it is 138 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this using your pouches and all, the same shininess means the quality of the pen will show in if you are using your pouches and all, and the same beautiness will aesthetic will stay forever. And the entire weight of this pen is 26 grams. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.